so with your kit, you'll have three main items. And so this is the power source where the tube, the skinny tube, is going to connect into here. These, and this is where light emits and goes through the tube. And so with this, you will funnel the wire or the tube into this. And so this is the, I guess, tube holder that you would place into the trim. So you can see that there's like a thin piece here that would fit inside of the trim, and then a little guide for the tube to go through. So you would funnel this skinny tube in through here. So we'll go do that. Now, in order to keep it well in place all throughout, I put the guides here into several key locations. So one is through the dash over here. I cut it at this end, so that way the thin wire can loop around all the way till here at the corner. And from the corner, I installed it all through this dash, all the way through to this end. So I don't know if you can see it, but that's the other end over there. And for this, there's one segment here, another segment here, one here, another here, and one more here. And yeah, that's how they all connect. So what you're going to connect to the power adapter, the light will come out of this, and you will plug in this adapter. Plug in this adapter using either this that connects to USB, and so with the Prius we have USB-Cs, so you'll need a USB to USB-C converter, or with this at the other end is going to be a wire, and with this wire you can connect it to a fuse. And down here it's going to be housing for a fuse box right here, and that's where you can plug it in. So depending on how you'd like your wires to be set up on the dashboard, they'll either run through underneath the driver's seat or into the USB-C here. You also got the option to run it through into the USB-C here. So you've got options. Lastly, I currently got this routed through the USB-C, through a dongle, and then into the adapter. But what I hope to do as soon as the fuse come in is plug it into the fuse box that is down here. Yeah. So thank you everyone for watching. Hope this was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.